Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by gearing the Azure Latch Shidou with its primary blade and one auxiliary module. This balances power and control. Once done, set your target range between 10 and 25 meters because the latch projectile maintains stability there. Make sure auto lock is enabled. Set sensitivity to 0. 5. To avoid overshooting. You aim using short bursts. Tap gently, not hold, so the latch arcs correctly. This sequence gets you into the action fast and ensures consistent first hits. Now you execute the core loop. Fire the anchor and immediately reel in using short pulses so the latch doesn't wobble. Pay attention to stamina. Keep it above 30% because reeling drains energy and interruptions break combos. Once the enemy is close, deliver 1 to 2 sidesteps to reset your aim and avoid counterattacks. You vary pulse timing to compensate for movement, and you alternate between light slashes and latch reels to maintain pressure while conserving resources. To finish, you time a charged blade strike when the latch brings the target within 2 meters. That guarantees maximum impact. If the latch misfires, stop and check module alignment, then reset sensitivity back to 0. 5. This usually fixes offset issues. Make sure to practice 3 repetitions per encounter so timing and recovery become second nature. You alternate between aggression and short recovery windows, which keeps you alive and consistent. One troubleshooting tip: recalibrate modules after.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.